You should see this drop to 0 volts and you should hear a click. What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to test your starter solenoid. It's pretty simple. You're going to need a few things for it, so let's go through that. Starter solenoid is located right here in front of the battery. That is your starter solenoid right there. You need a good battery hooked up, and you also need a multimeter. If you don't have one already, grab yourself a multimeter. If you don't have one of these, check it out in the link in the description. Get you one of these for working on these ATVs. Alright, to test our starter solenoid here, obviously the seat is off. We're going to put this red lead to the positive battery side. We're going to put this black lead to the black lead here on the starter solenoid and see if we have battery voltage. So we have battery voltage there. Alright, while we've got this connected here, I'm going to hit the starter button and you should see this drop to 0 volts and you should hear a click. So obviously this is making some weird noises. It's not dropping all the way to 0 volts. If you're over 1 volt on this starter relay, then you're probably going to want to replace the starter relay. Alright, so the next thing here is to disconnect this little plug down here on the starter solenoid. You need to get in here closer. Pull this little plug off of the starter solenoid. We're just going to double check all the testing we can do on this. So we're going to pull this plug off, and we've got a black and a green wire here. Connect our red test lead to the green and our black one to the black. And with our key on, we're going to press the starter button and see what we get here on the multimeter. So I'm getting 11.9 here on the multimeter. So if you get the battery voltage indicating when you test this little plug here, then you need to replace your starter solenoid. If no voltage is indicated when you test this plug, then you can go on testing other things. But as far as I can tell, this starter solenoid needs to be replaced. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, be sure to smash the like button. Subscribe down below if you want to find out if I can get this thing going, and I'll see you guys in the next video.